The passion to dream made us what we are today. There was a doubtful phase where we were stuck to find answers to numerous questions. Do we dive into cinema? Or do we dive into technology? We dived into the startup ecosystem in India. Our team united to follow our dreams and remain original to our work. We put in our creative caps to bring a difference. We understood that Indian entrepreneurs failed to tell captivating stories to sell their dreams. We helped to bridge this gap with our innovative, creative, and eye-catching media. Our lenses covered big names in the technology sector.
So we will bring the best of Google.
So much hope about my country.
Deepak Advani, General Manager for IBM Commerce.
Paytm app, we had two big challenges.
I've spent a lot of my life building businesses.
The CAT quality made all the difference. The world saw the beginning of a fresh breed of hybrid storytellers. Embroidering cinema with technology, we created a benchmark for the world to follow. Our shoutouts have created ripples from Cochin to Silicon Valley. We have now helped our fellow entrepreneurs raise more than $1 million to realize their dreams. All this began with a passion to dream, a passion for cinema, a passion for technology, and a passion for entrepreneurship. Moreover, a deep passion for being original. Thus, we merged cinema and technology with the silver lining of entrepreneurship.
And the winner is CAT Entertainment.
CAT Entertainments. Be original.